Hello there, today I'm going to talk about how to add local account or Microsoft account in Windows 10. So what we need to do is go to the setting option and let's search family and other people. Your family or other people. I want to add other people. Well, if you already are in this, then you may press your email or phone number here. If you don't have, then you have to click here. So here is some in I have to press my own mail. Now I'm pressing my password also, and I'm clicking here. Make sure you see the results advertisement and things you will like most when Microsoft personalizes your experience by using your preference and learning from your data. Change the setting online in some Microsoft product and services. Well, I'm going to check or uncheck. It's all up to you how you would like to see. Look, you can see here already has been added my name which I have pressed for. So this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching.